Hi guys, have you ever tried making grilled fish at home and you feel like it's a problem? No, 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 no. Let's go on this journey together.
You and I know that making a croaker fish barbecue is really the bomb when it comes to barbecue fish, besides catfish and some other fish. So the first thing I do is to make sure I properly wash my fish because I don't want any dirt in this fish. So I don't usually stress myself when I buy the fish. I make sure they remove all the necessary intestine and dirt and everything. Then they remove the scale. So what I just do is I give it a final washing when I get home. So afterwards, I try to make some lines on it so that I can always use it for my marinade. Then I try to marinate this fish properly. I massaged everything. This fish is the bomb. If you need a perfect marinade recipe, don't forget to check my previous video. You are definitely going to get it there. I fold it round because I just wanted to refrigerate and I want those marinades to get into the fish. So the next thing I did was to prepare my grill and I laid my fish on it. So before placing your fish on the grill, one secret you should know, especially if you want your fish to come out properly and not stick to the rack, make sure you put oil on the fish before putting it on the rack. This is one secret I'm telling you for free. So afterwards, I tried to watch it over till it was done. Oh God, this fish was really, really nice. And that's all. Thank you.
I'm back. Oh, I've not yet left. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on your notification because I definitely have a lot of goodies for you on Academy by Ashabi. See you.